Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to enable dark mode on the Line app, so you can enjoy a more comfortable and eye-friendly chat experience. Dark mode helps reduce eye strain and saves battery. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner of the app and tap on the settings icon. From the menu that appears, select Themes to access your theme options. Then, tap on My Themes to see the list of available themes. Look for the black theme, which is designed for dark mode, and select it. Finally, click on Apply to activate dark mode on your Line app. Once applied, your app interface will switch to dark colors, making it easier on your eyes during nighttime or low-light use. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips.